Henry Clay Elementary, and we invited the students from John Gandy Elementary to join us.
Our house leaders led the way to a great day.
When all the Gandy people came in, all the kids had signs that said, "Good job on your SWAs." I thought it was so thoughtful of them for making those signs for us.
We did the house chants for each house. The judges were Officer Osborne and Miss A. I had a very fun time.
During the pep rally, 2 students from each house were chosen because of showing good character. They got to go up on stage and spin a wheel for house points. Some of the teachers in different houses from Gandy and from Henry Clay, they each had a Frisbee and they were throwing it into the bucket. And the house that got the most Frisbees in the bucket won.
At the end, we did a whole school cheer with Henry Clay and Gandy about unity. We all learned this cheer about 5 houses, 1 family. We are the house leaders of Henry Clay. We are Hanover Strong.